Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use contact form 7 in your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started after logging into your account successfully. So log into your account first, and after that, now in this home page, you can get started accessing your website. You have all the sections right here at the left side screen, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And now we can get started. Basically, guys, what we are looking for is right here at the left side screen. You want to find the plugins section. So you want to open up plugins. After clicking on plugins, it's going to open up this plugin store where we can take a look at all the plugins we can get started using for our WordPress website. And what we can use is the search bar right here at the top of the screen. You can use the search bar and search for contact form 7. Search for contact form 7 and click discover, and this is now going to give us a results page of all the applications that are related to contact form 7 and that we can go ahead and get started using. As you can see, the first one is going to be the plugin we are looking for, so open it up, and after opening it up, it's going to open up this new page where you can take a look at the preview of the plugin and we can get started installing it. So basically guys, if you have an upgraded plan that you need to use in your store and in your website to use the plugins, you can see I need to first upgrade my free plan. So once you have upgraded your plan, you can get started installing it by clicking the install button that's going to appear right here. Clicking the install button is going to enable you to proceed with the steps and get started connecting contact form 7 to your WordPress website, and after that you'll be able to access it in your plugins and start using it normally. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.